folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with a review of another product. You can find this on amzn.to. There'll be a link on the video. This is from MonoDeal. It's the wireless universal TV headphones, MonoDeal over-ear stereo RF headphones with charging, and basically uses for any of your TV stuff, gaming, PC, mobile. It's got a 25-hour battery and a 1-year warranty on it. This thing isn't like a Bluetooth sort of headphone. This uses RF, so make sure you understand that when you take a look at this. It has a base that it charges on, and also the base connects to whatever your audio output device is, such as a TV, computer, etc., etc. So you got to be able to plug it into your TV, and of course this will make it so that you can listen to those devices without, you know, upsetting maybe your family members. If you're up late gaming or whatever the case may be, you can take and use these so that, you know, you're not blasting sound while people are doing other things, and you can kind of enjoy your game in privacy, or your TV in privacy. You can even use additional headphones that can be added to the system, allowing multiple users to enjoy the same sound source. So it's kind of unique in that way, and very different than Bluetooth sort of headphones. It's got a convenient charging base. You put it on and it'll take and work. Yeah, you just simply put the headset in the thing and away you go. There's no audio delay. It's designed for an auto-tune function, for low latency support of the RF transmitter, and makes it so you can be ideal for watching whatever you want to watch. There's no space limit. The wireless transmitter features 3 RF signal channels for interference-free reception for stereo sound through walls, ceilings, and outdoors up to 160 feet away. And the expander reception allows the headphones to be used when not in sight of the transmitter. So cool that way. They are comfortable and super light to a certain degree. We'll get into that in a second. The sound is okay. It claims to have large 40mm stereo drivers with built-in bass boost on them. It's okay. I wouldn't write home about it. So after testing with these units, right now on Amazon, they're about $74 and change, which is pretty expensive. I gotta tell you, they do the job that they say they do on amzn.com, but they are incredibly cheap, flimsy, crappy, very low-grade build when it comes to like what you'd expect out of the Chinese. I wouldn't pay more than $15 for these things. I'm just not really impressed at all with the quality of the build. Even the boxes and the stuff came in just look like cheap crap. It looks like something you buy off of either a knockoff store or maybe off a Goodwill thing. And the price is incredibly just overpriced. Maybe $15.99 I'd pay for these tops. So I can't recommend them in any way, shape, or form. You might like them. It's up to you. So you can take a look at some of the features. Certainly for this price point, you could buy something of a much higher quality. Anyway, thanks for tuning in.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.